Hey everyone, RV warranties aren't the same thing as car warranties. Let's talk about it. Don't forget to subscribe and please like this video. It really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. Have you had a problem with your warranty not getting honored? I'd love to hear your story down below. Please put in the comments if you've had any problems getting warranty repairs done on your RV for any of these reasons, or are there reasons that I didn't mention here that people need to watch out for? Well, there's a lot of differences between a car auto manufacturer warranty and an RV manufacturer warranty. I think the biggest one that people are getting a little surprised about is they can't necessarily just take their new RV to any place and get it serviced. As we know with a Ford, you can take it to any Ford dealership and have your Ford warranty taken care of. In fact, it's one of the reasons I buy a Ford is I'm here in Canada and the US, and the smallest towns that I drive into, they always have a Ford dealership with a Ford mechanic. And that means that I'm covered under my warranty. That's a lot of security that you get. Now, with RV manufacturers, they will not necessarily cover you under warranty unless you take it to the actual place that you bought it. Now, there are exceptions to this. If you're stuck on the road, you can usually contact your RV manufacturer, explain how you need to get a repair done, an emergency repair done, work out some sort of deal. Maybe they only cover part of it. Absolutely assume that your RV warranty will only get you work done at the dealership where you bought your trailer or RV. Now, I have bought an RV at a chain where they had made the claim that anywhere within our network you can take this trailer and get it warranty repaired. And that was technically true. But in this case, Fraser Way, and I'm not singling them out, this is, I think, very common in the industry. I bought at a Fraser Way that was hundreds of miles from my home, but there's a Fraser Way that's very close to my home. So I took it there for the first warranty repair. But what I didn't realize is that warranty department needs to call the other warranty department at the location I bought it. And then they go and call the manufacturer, get the approval. And so you had this whole extra chain. Every time we wanted to dispute something or have them double check something, we had to notify the local service bay. Then they would contact the service bay up at the place where we bought it. Then they would contact the manufacturer, and then back again. This telephone game really slowed things down, and I did not like it. And so even if your dealer is saying you can take it to any of the dealers, just know that you may be introducing more time as you try to communicate from dealer to manufacturer and then back down again for each step of the way. That was a big surprise for me. Now, as anyone who's bought an RV knows, RVs do not have the quality assurance and quality control that cars do. Most cars are made mostly by automated techniques. The supply chain is sort of controlled from one end to the other. It's not custom built the way RVs are. Nearly every RV built was built by hand. Even if it's built using a standardized manufacturing workflow, it's still generally being built by hand. And that means that there's a high likelihood that there's going to be flaws and defects when you buy your RV. This is why you have an RV warranty. When you get a car, you should expect that 99.99% of that vehicle is going to work just fine for the coming years. And if not, well, you've got a warranty just in case. So if you have an RV, you should expect to be taking it in a lot. This is why I bought my RV in October, so that I would have used it and gotten all the repairs done that I needed by the time we hit the RV season in March or April the following year. And this leads to my next piece of advice. Use the RV a lot in the first year. If you have a 1-year warranty, then I would say in the first 6 months, make sure you've taken this thing out for weeks at a time. It's going to take time to get repairs done. Once that year is up, you're out of luck. So you really want to get out there and make sure you're using everything, exercising every feature on that RV, pushing it to its limits. I don't want to say trying to break it, but definitely try to find the limits. That way you have more than ample enough time to get it in and get a repair done within the warranty period. On the Ember specifically, we've got a 2-year warranty on this one, so that affords me a little more wiggle room. But I immediately took this RV out, and in the first year, I've had it out on the road for over 11,000 kilometers. And so that's, part of the reason I took it out so much. If you look up my videos, you can see in the beginning, I had to take it in and get a lot of things fixed. It was a new model. It was fresh, brand new company, really. So I expected a lot of those fixes. even before I bought it, I knew some things were going to have to be fixed. But they were all fixed under the warranty, and I still have nearly an entire year ahead of me to continue exercising this RV and getting warranty repairs done. But that leads me to the next thing, which is you should be aware that as soon as your warranty expires, any warranty fixes you had done, they're going to expire as well. So let's say, in my case, I've got a 2-year warranty on my Ember trailer. And let's say a year and a half in, I have them replace an appliance, or they decide to fix something. Then I hit the 2-year mark, and we're only 6 months into the installation, and it breaks again. Well, I can go back to them and saying, hey, it broke again. And if it's after the 2-year mark, they're going to say it's not covered. That's the way it is. It doesn't matter if that repair was done 3 days before the warranty period expired. As soon as that warranty expires, pretty much any guarantee on work done up to that date is going to expire as well. So it's again why you want to make sure that in that first year or 2 years of your warranty period that you've used the RV as much as possible. This one bites people in the butt sometimes, but I don't think RV manufacturers want to use this one. In other words, this is a bad business, sort of bad relationship move. But sometimes RV manufacturers will not cover something under warranty because you voided the warranty by either living in it full time or if it's being used for business purposes. You'll find in most RV manuals that it specifically says this is designed for recreational occasional use. And if you report that something is broken in an RV and they understand that you've been using it day after day for a year straight, they may opt to say, we're not covering that under warranty because you're living in it full time. You're not using the RV recreationally, you're using it to live in full time. That's not what it's designed for. I'm not saying you can't live inside a recreational vehicle. Yes, they aren't always built to withstand 24/7 use over a year or two. You likely will have to replace things faster than you otherwise would have. But the important part is that the RV manufacturer or the dealer may pull out this little clause in the warranty saying that this is only for recreational use. And you using it every day to live in it, or if it's registered to a business name and it's a business that's using it, that's not considered recreational use, and it's no longer covered under warranty. I've never heard of Ember doing that, and we know a lot of people live in their RVs. Again, it's a bad business move. If you do that, you know you've just lost that customer. So you can see there's just a lot of different ways that a warranty works for RVs than it does for auto manufacturers. I had one service advisor tell me once that it's sort of like the way warranties were back in the 50s and 60s. I wasn't around back then, but apparently you used to not be able to take it anywhere in North America like you can with a Ford and things like that. But that's the way it is with RVs. If you don't like it, maybe not buy an RV. Now, I'm not speaking to third-party or aftermarket warranty plans. Those are out there. They have their own particularities. I have not bought them for my RVs. So once the manufacturer warranty expires, I'm on my own. But I really enjoy the fact that Ember gave us 2 years on this. And I probably wouldn't have bought the Ember if it only had a 1 year because it was a new company and I didn't know what to expect. When the warranty is longer than the company's actual age is, you definitely want to have a longer, bigger warranty. Now, of course, Ember's really stepped up to the plate. They've taken care of me. I'm not complaining at all. But just really do your research. Maybe even look to see the warranty information, the printed warranty information, or check the website of the manufacturer so you're fully aware of what this warranty is before you sign up for one of these big RV purchases. Do your research. Thanks, everyone. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. And the number one way you can help me on this channel is just click the like button. It really helps out a lot. Thanks.